Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve immigration law practices with Boundless, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the complexities of immigration law practices. Research the common challenges faced by immigration attorneys. Explore the features and services offered by Boundless. Visit the official Boundless website to familiarize yourself with its offerings. Evaluate how Boundless can streamline client management and case tracking. Create an account on Boundless to access tailored immigration solutions. Utilize the software to simplify the document preparation process. Encourage clients to enter their information directly into Boundless for accuracy. Review the extensive resources and guides available on Boundless for legal practitioners. Integrate case management tools from Boundless to enhance communication with clients. Leverage the platform's automated reminders for important deadlines and appointments. Monitor the progress of cases in real time through the Boundless dashboard. Take advantage of Boundless customer support for any technical issues. Utilize customizable templates provided by Boundless for various immigration forms. Regularly provide feedback to Boundless to improve the service and tools. Consider attending webinars or training sessions offered by Boundless for continued education. Network with other immigration professionals who use Boundless for shared insights. Keep updated with the latest immigration policies and how Boundless adapts to these changes. Implement best practices learned from using Boundless into your law practice. Evaluate the impact of Boundless on your workflow and client satisfaction. Commit to continuous improvement in your immigration law practice with the help of Boundless. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.